this should be the last stage in making the rule joint on this butterfly table. A couple things need to be worked. There's on this center section here, this edit, let me do that again. I want to edit this and then pick the center fixed top, and the shaped knuckle here on this end needs to be also duplicated over here on that side. So to do that, edit the component and then select this area here and move that or copy that out here on the red. I want to go on the red axis and I want to be out beyond the leaf there, so that needs to be flipped along the red direction, and then I can bring it back again on red. I'm forcing it with a right arrow key, and connect that right to this corner here, and now it's there, but I need this face closed in. And on the back side, that again needs to be done. So let's just close the component, close the, well, let's pull this out, a copy of it, just to make sure, and I can see that a line needs to be removed, so I can delete that or maybe smooth it. Let me delete it, and probably here as well, delete it here, and that takes care of that. So let me close that component, erase. Now we've got another issue here with the hinges. They need to be rotated to match up with the rotated leaf. So let me just let me look at the entity that says it's hinge H-510. Let me make that unique so it puts a number 1 after it, and I want to edit that component and rotate this leaf of the hinge. So it's only that leaf that I want to rotate. So I go to the center, hit the right arrow key. Oh, but before I do that, I'd like to really know what angle to rotate that thing. So let me check what angle this lid is from this position. Let me just, and I notice in the box down at the lower right it says 83.4 degrees. So we should be able to just rotate the hinge. Rotate that hinge leaf 83 from the top, and I want to do that from the top edge. And okay, so let me just start that, and then let me type 83.4 and let's look and see. Oh, that comes down perfectly onto the face here. So now the other hinge is the old component, the original component name. So I'd like to change that and replace that with the number 1 hinge. And so let me go to hinge 510 and 510 1, number 1, here it is. So I can what happened there? Yeah, there is a selected hinge, and I right click on that, replace selected, and it replaced the selection. Let's look and see. Yes. So that's fixed. So that's the final part of creating this nice looking joint, a rule joint.